Hello, bathroom renovation companies. You are about to see a demonstration of our AI system that we run for bathroom renovation clients. For those that have sent out a quote to a customer or a not yet customer and it hasn't been accepted. So the purpose of this bot that you're about to see is to figure out if there's still an interest in getting their bathroom renovated, and if so, trying to book them into a call. In another video, I have just recorded one on our sales bot for bathroom renovations companies. So essentially, you would have that bot deployed at the ad level. So when a lead comes in through Facebook ads or whatever it might be, the bot will immediately, right there and then in real time, actually start having that conversation with that individual, so they don't have to wait. There's no toilet breaks, there's no time off, there's no holidays, none of that, no weekends. It just works 24/7 around the clock. So when the leads are interested, it services them immediately. We've seen conversions jump in the bathroom renovation space in excess of 60%. From lead to discovery call books just through using this amazing system. So be sure to check that one out. But this one here right now, like I mentioned, is so if you have any contacts within your system that have at some stage received a quote, but they have not yet gone ahead, this is what you're going to fire. This is what we are going to test here today. Now, the question that is going to initiate this is, hi, is this the same Matt that, or hi, it's Alice from Tradie Bathrooms or whatever, is this the same Matt that requested a quote from us or got a quote from us, you know, in previous months, something along those lines. So I'm going to say, hi, yes, this is Matt. Oh, thank goodness my calendar just pinged me to call, but I didn't want to disturb you. Are you still considering upgrading your bathroom/bathrooms? Actually, we haven't thought about it since you quoted us. I'm going to do my very best at trying to trip this thing up. It's pretty smart though. No worries, mate. By the way, if you're not an Australian, just know I have set this up to be an Australian-based bathroom renovation company, to be conversational and casual. You can control all of that. So if that freaks you out, don't worry. You can change that. Life gets busy, doesn't it? What got you thinking about updating your bathroom in the first place? It's just very dated and old. I hate the tile color. Sounds like you're after a fresh modern vibe then. Changing out old dated tiles can absolutely transform a space. We can definitely help spruce up your bathroom with a new look that suits your style. Are there any specific features or styles that you're keen on in your new bathroom? Let's say I do like modern / chic style, and I saw some great bathrooms with funky wallpaper the other day in a magazine. Oh, magazine. It'll figure that out. Modern chic with a touch of funky wallpaper. Got it. Those styles can definitely make a bathroom stand out and feel unique. We've worked with all sorts of designs that can certainly match that vision with a package that suits your budget. Would you like to book in a time to chat with one of our advisors for more details and perhaps get the ball rolling? Yeah, sure. Yeah. Let's do that. Great, here's my calendar link. So it has dropped the calendar link in there just for context. When we're working on this with clients, we would actually set it up within their system. So this all runs through our CRM lead management system called TradieHub.net. Go and check that out. That's where you get started with all this. But essentially, when we're setting up for clients, we'll have their calendars there, we'll have the available times, and it will actually book it in for them. So the customer at the end will just get notification saying your discovery call, meeting, your 30-minute video meeting or whatever it is coming up in 24 hours with Alice or Matt or whatever the hell your name is, right? So anyway, it's super intuitive. All this stuff can be customized and all the answers can also be customized. So if you like what you see there and you have a bunch of customers within your database right now that you have sent quotes to and they have not accepted, this is a killer opportunity for you to get back in that space. Anyway, hope that was useful. Head across to tradiehub.net.